I'm in Corpus Christi, Texas. Gonna check out the damn fireworks. Trying to walk our asses up there because it already done started. Just wanted to show y'all real quick. Cutting through the bank. Going through the bank. You hear that? That's the damn things. Yeah. Shit sounds nice though. Oh yeah, I got that red one. What are you doing? Damn it. And it's always on all my damn videos and shit. Yeah, my phone works better than your shit. I was gonna say, honestly, we could chill here and watch this shit, but I want to see the whole damn thing, you.
I wanted to get up close.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was that late.
We should have left earlier and just tried. Come on, Heather. Come on. So the fuck down, hit that fucking baby, we end up fighting and shit. She getting heavy? Hang on, people. I'm trying to get over there, and then I'll stop moving so y'all can see this shit. Are we on the strip yet or no? Almost. You hold her? Your bag?
I got it.
Are you sure? You look like you're fixing to pass the fuck out.
No, it's just his bag.
So I said, let me see it and I'll hold it for you. And purse, I'll hold the fucking purse. Put your bag in, you're slower. Maybe I should give it back to you.
We're walking towards it. By the time we get there, it's done.
Big time. Huh? Come on, Heather. Come on. We're trying to get up.
Hello?
Cross over or go?
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I see that. Making it up to the strip, ladies and gentlemen. Fixing to kick this shit down.
We gotta wait.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get up there. This way. Heather.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. This is what it looks like on the strip. All kinds of noise. Damn. Right here or what? Or you want to go further? Huh? What happened? Go. Shit. Where the hell are they going? All kinds of people out here that you'll see. I want to post up right here. Here, Heather, sit down right here, baby. Hey, you want to get down? All the way at the bottom? You got it? We're right here. I'm right literally by the ocean. Right here. Chill and watch this. Let y'all see it. And babe, FYI, should have been here. Big ass fucking thing. Heather, you alright up there?
You want to come down here? You want to carry tonight?
She's good. You see it, mamas? Damn, that looks badass. It's lighting up the ocean and shit.
When you're like right there in front of it, like coming out of the water.
Oh, yeah? That shit looks badass. Really glad I came out here. Damn! Hell yeah! Damn, that's looking badass. MJD, where we parked? I'm just gonna look for that building with the blue lights. Yeah, we're not the only ones out here. See? All kinds of people. Damn. No, we were over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Dang, man. Nah, hang on. Yeah, you know, busting ass and shit. Man, that looks beautiful. Damn, that's bad. I'm gonna stop this video, y'all, and I'm gonna start another one right now.